Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm gonna be making for you banana bread, Jamaican style. So as you can see already in my mixer, I already whipped my butter and sugar. So inside my mixer I have 1 stick of butter and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so to that I am going to add 1.5 cup of banana. This is banana that I already used my hand mixer to mix it out so it's nice and smooth. So I'm gonna add this in here. And to that I am going to add 3 eggs. I already took the eyes out of the eggs. And to that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And I am going to whip this together on low. And you're going to whip this together until everything is combined nice and smooth before you add your dry ingredients. Okay guys, so it's already whipped nice and combined and smooth. So this is my baking powder. This is 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking spice, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Also to this I add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna mix all my dry ingredients together and then slowly add it to my wet ingredients. So I'm adding and here also is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm just going to combine everything. Now I am going to slowly add my dry ingredients to the wet ingredient, and you're going to do that on low speed to avoid the flour splashing all over the place. Okay, so I'm going to turn that on low. And I'm adding a 1/4 cup of flour at a time. This is a really quick, easy recipe, and you could add nuts or raisin depending on how you like your banana bread. For me, I just like it old-fashioned plain, no nuts or anything. So I'm going to turn up my mixture a little bit more. And I'm going to add the last little bit of flour. Okay guys, so it is perfectly combined. The exact texture. So now I am going to place this in my 9-inch loaf pan that I have already greased and weighed in. And I'm gonna bake this at 325 degrees for 45 minutes or until you insert a toothpick and it comes out nice and clean. depending on your oven, you know, just, you know, keep checking and making sure that you're not over baking and you're not burning. All right, so guys, I will see you once this is finished baking. I'll show you guys what my banana bread looks like. Again, guys, thanks for your subscription. Continue to watch my videos, continue to like, continue to share, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay? See, that's the perfect consistency. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna stick this bad boy in the oven and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's. So guys, welcome back. So my banana bread is done and cooled for about an hour, and as you can see, it's nice and moist and it smells delicious. Okay, all right guys, so that's another video for you. Let me know in the comment section if you try my banana bread recipe. Let me know how it came out for you. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend that Angel the Light is cooking up some good stuff in her kitchen. Stay tuned for my next video, which would be Jamaican hard dough bread. I'm gonna put that video out soon. Again, guys, thank you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching.